Hello everyone, today I am excited to walk you through the process of setting up a baby swing for your newborn. Setting up a baby swing may seem a bit intimidating at first, but with a few simple steps you will have it up and running in no time to provide your little one with a cozy and soothing experience. Yes, this baby swing was sent to me by my darling friend who I've never seen before. I've not met her before, but I met her through Whitey. If you don't know what Whitey is, Whitey means YouTube. So she's also a content creator on my M. So she sent me this package through some online vendors, and she, when I told her that I've given birth, she was so excited and sent this to me. So today, when I want to couple it, of course I have my husband to help me. Firstly, when I unbox the baby swing, I ensure I have all the components and parts needed for assembly. Is crucial to carefully and I carefully read the manufacturer's instruction that comes with the swing to ensure proper setup and safely for my newborn. So my husband is helping me to couple it with my little madam. You can see how she is busy. She's busy also helping her dad. So we are trying to couple it, making sure that everything is properly set before we can proceed in placing our baby on the swing. So like I said before, this setting up this swing may be kind of trickish, and you have to do something with caution. So I begin by assembling the frame of the baby swing, following the instructions step by step. We also pay close attention to secure all the parts properly to ensure stability. So once he finished the frame, once he finished assembling the frame, he attached the seat securely, aligning it according to the instruction provided. So that is what he's trying to do. He's just putting this baby seat right now after setting up the frame, because we are using manual tool. Full, of course we don't have such before. Is a new gift that my friend sent to us, so we are trying to set it up. So after assembling the frame, he's trying to put the seat. Next, he tried to adjust the settings on the swing to customize it for our newborn. This may include the swing speed, reclining position, and exploring any music or vibration option available on the swing. So this is it, guys. And this particular baby swing make use of electric, so it has a kind of cord, kind of USB charger. You can connect direct to your electric, and it will be singing. As you can see, my little madam have already placed her own naked baby. She have already placed her own baby she want to be the first to try it. You can see she just walking up and down as if she know what she's doing. Look at her baby is already relaxing on it. Okay, so when it comes to powering the swing, it determines whether it operates on batteries or requires an electrical outlet. Make sure to connect to the power source. So finally, we have done setting up the swing, and now we have put in, after testing it, the swing. I place my newborn on the swing. You can see Ezugo Papa now. Test the swing motions, sound, the features, and safely harness to ensure everything is working properly. When positioning the swing, choose a safe and stable location away from any hazards. So you can see my baby is already enjoying it. So the baby swing is set up and tested, gently secure. I gently secure my newborn in the seat with the harness. Keep a close eye. I also kept a close eye on my baby while he enjoyed the gentle motion and comfort provided by the swing. So setting up a baby swing is a wonderful way to create a soothing and entertaining environment for your little one. Is a great tool to help your newborn relax and enjoy some downtimes while you attend to other house chores or tasks. So remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions